Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Recruiting in the Age of Googlization. In each episode, I show you a quick tip, what I'm calling recruiting hacks or hiring hacks, that will help you get more exposure, improve your, whether it's improving your job posting ranking, or ultimately anything to help you recruit faster and hire smarter. So here's a quick tip. If you go to a site like worditout.com, these are those word cloud, those tags, or those word tag clouds that you see on websites often. So a good way to test to see that your job is written in a way that the search engines such as Indeed and CareerBuilder or Google will recognize it is to go to a job posting, any job posting, copy and paste it. See it in here. Here's the job post and hit generate. And then just to correct this, we're going to go to colors. I'm going to make the background white. I'm going to change the prominent color to red. We're going to do the less prominent ones to blue. We're going to, and we're also going to look at the frequency. So you can see here that the most popular word, the most frequent word is prepare. Next few, roofing is showing up. It's not showing up that it's a roofing estimator, so at least it's showing up as roofing. But the other ones are job and project and blueprints. What you'd like to do is have the most prominent word be roofing, and then the next prominent word be estimator, or estimator and roofing. So this isn't too bad. Roofing at least is number one. But the most popular word that's going to be picked up here by the any of the search engines, again, including Google and Indeed, when you're posting a job, is going to be prepare. So if any of your competitors are doing a better job at optimizing the job post, you're not going to rank as high. The only way to get higher than them will be to pay for it. So here, these are some tips on how to organically, which means non-pay, organically get higher job postings. A quick tip, let me scroll back to this job post. And what you might want to do, let me get off that, is for every 100 words, you want to try to enter your job title. So very easily, you can do it here. It's a short job post. Instead of putting job, put roofing estimator summary. And then under essential job functions, you can put essential roofing estimator functions. And if you want to do it again, under qualifications, roofing estimator qualifications. So three very easy ways to get your job title into your job post and therefore help you in higher rankings. We'll be talking a lot more about how to write better job posts in future episodes, preparing these hopefully a few a week, but if not, at least weekly. And we'll hope that you'll check in again. So until next time, this is Ira Wolfe, Recruiting in the Age of Googlization. You can get my book up on Amazon. And again, it's called Recruiting in the Age of Googlization. Thanks very much.